How to enable or disable, press side button to encode on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down to the bottom and tap on accessibility. From here, tap on interaction and dexterity. Now we then tap on answering and ending calls. From here, we go down to the last option and tap on press side button to end calls. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.